Good morning, Facebook. Courtney Truman Steamers. I'm on my first job today, Liburn, Georgia. You know what's funny, guys? This is a good thing when you come highly recommended. This customer right here, the house right here, I cleaned her about 6 months ago. She then referred me to this customer, okay? This customer, I cleaned her carpets and her hardwood floors, and I actually did a video on her house. And then the house is for sale now, but then she referred me to this customer. That's why I'm here today. So 1, 2, 3, uno, dos, tres. three houses that I've done. So show you guys what I'm doing. I just got through applying my pre-treat. Again, this is another no spots, no stains. A lot of people always say, Courtney, I like seeing your videos when you clean dirty carpets. And I know people get satisfied, even myself, doing this 19, almost 20 years, it's just something about the satisfaction of something coming from very dirty to very clean. But guys, I will be honest, about 70 to 75% of the houses I clean might be even more, maybe 80%. Or not heavily soiled carpets. I've gotten to the point with our business model that we really take care of a lot of people who keep their carpets maintained. What I find out is not that customers carpets, or they're not looking for someone who know how to clean carpet very well. They're looking for companies who are very professional and take care of their cleaning needs. That show up on time. You know, I had a customer tell me yesterday, like, Courtney, I like that your van is fully wrapped because it shows that you really care about your business, and I want to see who's in my driveway. So I just feel like certain type of customers that we service are not really focused so much on excuse me, Miss Grimes.
Hi.
Now, what the neighbor who, this is Rosie right here, right?
Right.
And what's,
that's Pat.
Pat.
Trish.
Yep, that's right, Miss Trish. So I'll make sure I give Miss Trish a shout out for referring me to you.
Oh yeah.
And then Rosie too. But yeah. Rosie she was fun to work with.
Yeah, she's got some stuff going on there.
Okay.
And you know what? You know, a million years of cats.
Oh
it's
yeah,
just
yeah.
a thing.
Yep.
All right, I stepped on your carpet. I didn't realize it was.
Yeah, I just got through preaching it, but you're fine.
All right, so it's just, I don't think I made a mess.
No problem. All right, guys. So again, this is room number 1. Like I said, no spots, no stains. Room number 2. So that's why, guys, it's really hard for me to sit here and show dirty carpets all day because I rarely clean dirty carpets. Well, I ain't gonna say dirty, okay? I mean, even though there's dirt in the carpets, but extremely soiled carpets, or what we might call heavily soiled carpets. So as you guys can see, these carpets are in great condition. This is a polyester fiber. See here? No spots, no stains. So this is a total of 6 areas that I'm doing today. And then after this, I got another job to go do. Got a total of 4, and also the stairs. All right, guys. So Miss Trish, Miss Rosie, thank you guys for the referrals. And that's how we build our business here at Truman Steamers. It's making sure we take care of our customers' needs, and not just in the cleaning side of the business, but also being professional, showing up on time, having systems in place that show our customers, you know, that we care about, you know, their time. Like I said, having our van clean, not only clean, professional vans, but also have them wrapped so the customers can see, you know, who's in their driveway. Again, uniforms. I got my uniform on, work pants, work shoes. These are a lot of things certain customers pay attention to, and they will give you a compliment on it if they see that. So anyway, guys, I'm going ahead and get started here. Courtney Truman Steamer. See you in the next. All right, guys. So again, this is job number 2, November the 14th. This is Mrs. Maureen. She just left to went and go pick her son up from school. And again, guys, this is another example of me not cleaning very dirty carpets, or heavily soiled carpets. A lot of people have been asking me, Courtney, why are you not doing videos of cleaning? And guys, again, this is the reason why. I've just found that certain customers, when they are looking for a particular service, you would be surprised they do not have the dirtiest carpets. Here's the stairs right here. So this is a total of 5 areas for $250. Now I cannot put up my Scylla door. Her door is too tall. So what I'm going to have to do is close the door as much as possible. I've done this room before, but I'm not cleaning this room. But you can see she's vacuumed this room and the carpets look amazing. And then this room right here. Now this room right here, she does have a dog. You can see that it is soil in the middle. But again, there's no major spots or stains. So this is it, guys. So unfortunately, this is why most of the time you're not seeing a lot of videos coming back to back, because there's really no satisfaction in cleaning, you know, maintain carpets. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Knock this job out. Courtney Truman Steamers. See you in the next one.